Hello and welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. This is fractions part 2. We will learn about proper and improper fractions and mixed fractions in this video. For more such videos, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. Now look at the given picture. In a fraction, the upper part is called numerator and lower part is called denominator. So here 3 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Now there are three types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So what is a proper fraction? A fraction with a numerator that is less than the denominator. Now see the example 1 by 2. In this the numerator 1 is less than the denominator. So in proper fraction numerator is always less than denominator. Improper fraction: a fraction with a numerator that is greater than or equal to the denominator. So in improper fraction the numerator is always greater than or equal to the denominator. Now see the example 6 by 5 and 3 by 3. Now in 6 by 5 the numerator 6 is greater than the denominator 5, and in 3 by 3 the numerator 3 is equal to the denominator 3. Now mixed fractions. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. We'll learn more about this in our next slide. Now see the example of proper fraction and improper fraction. As you can see in the picture, 1/4. 1/4 is 1 by 4, in which the numerator 1 is less than the denominator. So it is a proper fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction 5/4. That means 5 by 4. So numerator 5 is greater than denominator. So in improper fraction numerator is always greater or equal to the denominator. Now look at one more example of proper and improper fractions. So in proper the numerator will always be less than the denominator. See, three examples are given: 3 by 4, 1 by 3, 2 by 4. In all these the numerator is less than the denominator. And here in improper fraction the examples are 9 by 3, 6 by 5 and 7 by 4, in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now what are mixed numbers? Mixed number has a part that is a whole and a part that is a fraction. Now look at the following example. So one whole square is given and the other square is divided into 4 parts, which represents 3 by 4 shaded fraction. So total we will get 1:3 by 4, one whole and 3 by 4. So it is a mixed number. Now second example is 1:2 by 5. See, there is one whole rectangle and the second rectangle is divided into 5 parts, out of which 2 are shaded. So we will write it as one whole 1:2 by 5. Now next is the example of pizza. You can see there are 2 whole pizza and a quarter pizza is left after that. So we'll write it as 2:1 by 4. Now look at the given picture. Let's see how we will get improper fraction and mixed fraction of the following picture. Now for improper fraction we know total number of shaded parts upon number of parts in which the whole is divided. So total number of shaded parts are 7 and number of part in which the whole rectangle is equally divided is 3. So the fraction will be 7 by 3. So this is an improper fraction where numerator is greater than the denominator. Now mixed fraction is the combination of a whole and a fraction part. So two rectangles are fully shaded and one is partially shaded. That is, one part out of 3 parts is shaded. So the whole part will be 2 and the fraction part will be 1 by 3. So the mixed fraction of this image is 2:1 by 3. Now Let's calculate the mixed and improper fraction of this image. You can see there are 4 pentagons which are equally divided into 5 parts. Now 3 parts are fully shaded and 1 part is partially shaded, in which 3 parts are shaded out of 5. So the mixed fraction will be 3 is to 3 by 5. So whole part is 3 and 3 by 5 is the fraction part. Now to get improper fractions, we know total number of shaded parts upon the number of parts in which the whole is divided. So total number of shaded parts are 15 plus 3 18, and number of parts in which whole is divided is 5. So 18 by 5 is the improper fraction of this image. See the picture. We have to calculate the improper fraction and mixed fraction of the given fraction model. So first is two circles. Now to calculate improper fraction, we know we need total number of shaded parts upon the number of parts in which the circle is equally divided. So total number of shaded parts are 6 and the number of parts in which the circle is equally divided is 4. So 6 by 4 will be the improper fraction. Now mixed fraction will be 1 whole and 2 by 4. So 2 parts shaded out of 4. So 1 is to 2 by 4 will be the mixed fraction. Now next, so total number of shaded parts here are 11 and the rectangle is divided into 3 equal parts. So 11 by 3 will be the improper fraction. Now mixed fraction will be, now 3 are fully shaded. So 3 is to 2 by 3. So in fourth, 2 parts are shaded out of 3. So the fraction part will be 2 by 3 and 3 whole. So 3 is to 2 by 3, the mixed fraction of this fraction model. Next, the circle is divided into 8 equal parts, out of which 11 are shaded. So 11 by 8 will be the improper fraction. Now one circle is fully shaded, so 1 will be the whole and second is partially shaded, 3 parts out of 8. So 3 by 8. So 1 is to 3 by 8 will be the mixed fraction of this fraction model. Now in this picture, two circles are fully shaded and one is half shaded. So mixed number will be 2 is to 1 by 2. 2 whole and 1 by 2 the fraction of third part. And improper fraction will be total number of shaded parts are 5 and the whole is divided into 2 parts, so upon 2. So improper fraction will be 5 by 2. Now next, so total number of shaded parts are 10 and the number of parts in which the hexagon is divided is 6. So 10 by 6 is the improper fraction and mixed fraction will be 1 whole and 4 by 6 since 4 parts are shaded out of 6. Next, the circle is divided into 5 equal parts and their total number of shaded parts are 7. So 7 by 5 is the improper fraction and mixed fraction will be 1 is to 2 by 5. So 1 whole and 2 out of 5 parts are shaded in the second one. So fraction will be 1 is to 2 by 5. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, like, share and subscribe. Write in the comments about the video.